In this lecture, we will be learning world's fastest subtraction method, left to right method or spark method based on Vedic mathematics. We call this as spark method because within no time or spark of time we give the answers. In order to understand left to right method of subtraction, first we need to understand two concepts. The first concept is matched numbers and mismatched numbers, and second concept is complement of a number. Matched numbers and mismatched numbers. If we subtract 3 from 8, it is possible to subtract because 3 is smaller than 8 and the answer is 5. We are not bothered about the answer, only thing is that 8 and 3 are matched numbers because we can subtract 3 from 8. Similarly, if we subtract 2 from 5, it is possible to subtract because 2 is smaller than 5. So these are called matched numbers. If the first number is greater than the number below, then the numbers are matched pair. So if the subtraction is possible, then 9 and 1 are called matched pair. Similarly here 6 and 5 are matched numbers. But if we subtract 7 from 2, subtraction is not possible. It is not possible for us that we have 2 things and we can give 7 things to somebody. So this type of subtraction is not possible. Then 2 and 7 are called mismatched numbers. Similarly, if we subtract 6 from 3, then 3 and 6 are called mismatched numbers. So if the first number is smaller than the number below, then they are mismatched numbers. Here 1 and 5 are mismatched numbers, 5 and 8 are mismatched numbers. And now the concept of complements to 10. For 1, the number which when added to 1 makes it 10 is called complement number. For 1, its complement number is 9 because 9 plus 1 makes it 10. Similarly for 9, if we add 1 to it, it becomes 10. 1 is its complement. For 3, 7 is its complement because when 7 is added to 3, it becomes 10. Similarly for 4, 6 is the complement. For 6, 4 is its complement. So every one digit number has its complement. For 2 it is 8. For 7 it is 3. For 5 it is 5. So these are complement numbers. For 8, 2 is the complement, and for 2, 8 is the complement. Similarly for 7, 3 is the complement, and for 3, 7 is the complement. And now we are going to use these concepts for the subtraction of double digit number to single digit number. This method works in a single line and there is no need to borrow and goes from left to right. I know these questions are very easy, but through these questions I am going to teach you a method which we will be extending to more digit numbers. Now in this type of subtraction we will be starting from the left side going towards right. In conventional method, if the number to be subtracted is greater than the first number, then we have to borrow a number from the next number. But in this type of method, there is no need to borrow and we go from left side to right side and there is no stress in the brain. And this method also works in a single line. And this is the world's fastest method. Now here first of all we will observe 3. There is no number below it. So we have to drop 3 over here. But before dropping 3 over here, we will observe the next pair. If the next pair is mismatched pair, as 9 is greater than 5, so this pair is a mismatched pair. In that case, we reduce 3 by 1. So it becomes 2. Instead of subtracting 9 from 5, we will write the complement of this number 9. Complement of the second number 9. That is 1. And we add this to 5. This becomes 6. 26 is the answer. Let's take the help of one more example. Here we have to subtract 8 from 26. Now there is no number below 2. So we have to drop 2 over here. But before writing the answer, we will always observe the pair on the right side of it. And if it is mismatched, then we reduce the number by 1. And if it is matched, then we write the numbers as it is. For example here, in this case, 7 and 5 are matched pair. It is possible for us to subtract 5 from 7. So 7 and 5 are matched numbers. If the numbers are matched on the right side of it, we will not reduce 4 by 1. We will just write 4 over here. And we will subtract 5 from 7 by usual method. But we move from left side to right side. In this case, 6 and 8 are mismatched pair. So instead of writing 2 over here, we will write 1 over here. And instead of subtracting 8 from 6 and borrowing, what we are going to do is we will write the complement number of 8, that is 2, and we will add 2 to 6. It becomes 18. Now by just observing we can write this mentally. Now how to write these mentally? Just watch the next pair. If it is mismatch, just reduce 3 by 1. So it becomes 2. Try to recall the complement of 9, that is 1. Just add 1 to 5. This becomes 26. So subtraction here is also based on addition. Now we know that 6 and 8 are mismatched numbers. So instead of writing 2 over here, we will write 1. We know that complement number of 8 is 2. So we add 2 to 6. This becomes 8. 7 and 9 are mismatched pair. So we will reduce 4 by 1. So it becomes 3. And complement number of 9 is 1. So we add 1 to 7. This becomes 8. So 38 is the answer. Now in this case 7 and 5 are matched numbers. So we will just drop 4 over here and simply subtract 5 from 7. That gives us 2. So 42 is the answer. Now let's do more examples and we will try to be faster. Now this is a mismatched pair. So instead of 8 we will drop 7 over here. Complement of 7 is 3. So 3 added to 2 gives us 5. Now this is a matched pair. 5 and 4 is a matched pair. So 7 will be as it is and 5 minus 4 gives us 1. This is a mismatched pair. So we will write 4 over here instead of 5. Now complement of 8 is 2 and that is added to 3. So this becomes 5. 45 is the answer. Now whenever the two numbers are same, because it's possible for us to subtract 4 from 4, so they are called matched numbers. So if these are matched numbers, we will not reduce 6 by 1, it becomes 6. 4 subtracted from 4 gives us 0. In this case, 5 and 9 are mismatched numbers. So instead of writing 3 over here, we will write 2. And complement of 9 is 1. That is added to 5 gives us 6. In this case, these are mismatched numbers. So instead of writing 9 over here, we will write 8. And complement of 8 is 2. That is added to 6 to make it 8. So 88 is the answer. So this works on different concept. Here instead of subtracting we are adding and we are taking the help of matched numbers and mismatched numbers and the concept of complements. Let's take a few more examples. 4 and 7 are mismatched numbers. So instead of writing 7 we will write 6 and complement of 7 is 3 and 3 is added to 4 to give 7. Here 7 and 5 are matched numbers. So 3 will be as it is. And we will subtract simply 5 from 7, that gives us 2. 1 and 6 are mismatched numbers, so instead of 8 we will write 7 and complement number of 6 is 4 and that is added to 1. So it gives 5. 75 is the answer. So this method works in a single line, no need of borrow, and goes from left to right. And now there is a small task to practice more sums. You have to practice these concepts only. So use these concepts to subtract these numbers so that we can extend it to higher digit numbers. And answers are also given to you.